Welcome, Bearcats and parents, back to Jackson Square. Today we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting integers using a scoreboard model. So tonight's assignment, let's jump right in. We're going to do problem number 1 and problem number 2. Number 1 says, Sophie owes her brother $25. She gives her brother the $18 she earns dog sitting. How much does Sophie still owe her brother? So let's go in. We can use our chart if we choose to find words that are negative and positive for finance. I see that one of the words that was there was give. She owes her brother and she gives her brother. So if you owe your brother money, that is a negative. So she owes him $25. That's a negative 25. And then she gives him $18. So that's a positive. So let's start by drawing our scoreboard. Remember, we have positive on the left, negative on the right. Owes him $25. We're going to put 25 on the right. And she gives him $18, that's a positive, it's going to be on the left. Remember, if we have a number on the left and the right, we're going to subtract these two numbers. So 25 minus 18, we're going to find the difference of, we have to regroup 15 and 18. Sorry, let me move that into the screen. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 7. How much does she still owe her brother? She still owes her brother $7. But it's going to be a negative 7. Because remember, we take the sign of the larger number. And our larger number is 25. And it is negative. So she owes him $7. Because our answer is negative 7. That's what she owes him, $7. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, the table describes the change in the temperature from the previous day over 3 consecutive days. What was the overall temperature change between Sunday and Wednesday as an integer? So as we look at the chart, we see dropped, and rose. So again, those are integer words. They tell us if the numbers are going to be positive or negative. Again, we're going to use a scoreboard. Dropped 2 degrees, that's a negative. Dropped another 5, that's a negative. Rose 3, that's a positive. So we're going to combine all of our numbers. On our positive side, we just have a 3. On our negative side, we'll have negative 7. Again, if there's a number on both sides, we're going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. 7 minus 3 will give me a 4. And 7 is my larger number, so the answer is negative 4. What was the overall temperature change? The overall temperature change was a negative 4 degrees. So we can write it as a degree. Negative 4 degrees was my overall temperature change from Sunday to Wednesday. I hope this was helpful to some of you guys. And remember, good luck, Bearcats.